Good evening. It is evening here, so yeah. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna talk about a bike holder that I use on my KTM Duke 390. So here it is. Well, it's a cheap product. I don't really paid much for it, so I don't remember the price. But I'll leave a comment down where you can buy online. So it actually serves a purpose. You do it like this and it opens and you keep a phone inside and it gets locked. It's grippy. You get this rubber paddings over here which actually holds your phone pretty good. It grips the phone so that it won't fall down into the bumps and humps on the road. Yeah, so this is a good price. This is for a good price. I'll put a link in the description so that you guys can buy. The KTM Duke 390 that I have is fully customized, so if you want to take a look at it, please do subscribe and leave a thumbs up and comment us for a bike showdown. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.